Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just check Amazon or Alibaba. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification bell for more videos. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. We've got this tool you can use for peeling fruits or vegetables, and we've got this cutter. It's really cool. We've got this grinder you can use for grinding garlic, and we've got this cutting board. It's really helpful. We've got this box you can use for cutting boards and cutters. It's really cool. We've got this frying pan. It's really cool. She's making chips. We've got this apartment. We'll see the products we've got in this apartment. We've got this wallet you can use for your glasses. It's really cool. And we've got this tool you can use for charging your mobile phone. We've got this hanger you can use for hanging your clothes. We've got this tool you can use for vegetables and fruits. It's really cool. We've got this pot. We've got this grinder you can use for grinding garlic. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got this organizer you can use for soda cans, and we've got this small juicer you can use for making juice. We've got this oil brush and this small frying pan you can use for making omelette. It's really helpful. We've got this electric pot. She's eating her food. We've got this rack you can use for bathroom stuff, and we've got this mop you can use for mopping the floor. We've got this smart washing machine. We've got another apartment. We've got this puppy, and we've got this beautiful lamp you can use for charging your mobile phone. Is washing her face. We've got this small soap bar, and we've got this wipe you can use for cleaning your face. We've got this brush you can use for your feet or your back. It's really helpful. We've got this brush you can use for your body, and we've got this hair dryer. It's really cool. We've got this ice cube mold. It's really cool. We've got these cutting boards. We've got these cutters. Let's see what's in this fridge. We've got this frying pan you can use for making omelette. We've got rice. We've got another apartment. We've got this holder you can use for eggs. You can put it in the fridge. It has 3 parts. We've got this tool you can use for cookers. You can also use it for pans. We've got this juicer you can use for making orange juice. It's really helpful. We've got these boxes where you can put vegetables and fruits, or you can use it for other stuff like makeup stuff. We've got these boxes you can use for spices. They're really cool. Let's see what's in this apartment. We've got this small coffee table. It's really cool. We've got this holder you can use for some bars, and we've got this holder you can use for your laundry. We've got this cover you can use for your mattress, and we've got this washing machine. It's really amazing. You can also dry up your clothes using this small washing machine. We've got this box you can use for wipes. We've got this hook you can use for brushes. It's really cool. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got this product you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got these items you can use for your toilet. We've got another apartment. See the products we have in this apartment. Is gonna make something to eat. We've got this oil brush and we've got this cooker. It's really cool. We've got this beautiful lamp you can use for charging your mobile phone. It's really amazing. We've got this brush you can use for washing the dishes. It's really helpful. And we've got this brush you can use for bathing. We've got this brush you can use for your hair, and we've got this tool you can use for your face. It's really cool. We've got these glasses, they're really cool. We've got this tool you can use for charging your mobile phone, and we've got another apartment. We've got this sanitizer, and we've got this small bag. We've got this box you can use for cleaning your jewelry. It's really cool. Let's see what's in this bathroom. We've got these sandals and we've got this brush you can use for bathing. You've got this dispenser you can use for shampoo. We've got this brush you can use for your hair. We've got these cutting boards. We've got this peeler you can use for peeling potatoes. It's really helpful. We've got this small trash bin. We've got this cutting board, and we've got this cutter. We've got this frying pan. She's making something to eat. We've got this ice cube mold. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.